Who's in favor for 500 per head? Okay, so panalo po ang ating 1,000. Mr. President, 1,000 pesos is the majority win.
Since the body agreed to have a contribution of 1,000 pesos, I do hereby declare that this proposal is done for our coastal cleanup diha sa South Bay.
Okay, our upcoming activity is coastal cleanup. So ayun po, 1K per head ang ating contribution, and next month na po yung ating coastal cleanup. To formally close our program, ibibigay ko po kay club president natin for closing prayer and adjournment.
Since we agreed, I do hereby declare this meeting is adjourned. Rise for our closing prayer.